In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a fillable PDF form for free using Google Chrome. Whether you're dealing with application forms, official documents, or any type of PDF that needs filling in, the process is simpler than you might think, especially when using Google Chrome, a tool many of us already have at our fingertips. Let's start with the basics. First, you need to open your PDF in Google Chrome. If the file is on your computer, you can easily drag and drop it into a new Chrome tab. Alternatively, you can right-click on the file, select Open With, and then choose Google Chrome. This will launch the PDF directly within your browser, making it ready for you to interact with. Now that the PDF is open, it's time to start filling in the fields. Click directly on the text fields, checkboxes, or any other fillable areas within the document. Once you click on a field, just start typing to enter your information directly into the document. This straightforward interaction is one of the best features of using Chrome for filling PDF forms, as it accurately places your text where you need it. If your document has multiple fields, here's a tip to speed up the process. Use the Tab key on your keyboard. The Tab key allows you to move from one field to the next without clicking each one individually, which can save you a lot of time, especially in documents with many sections to fill out. Just keep tapping on the Tab key, and it will systematically guide you through each input area, ensuring you don't miss any sections. Once you've filled out all the necessary sections of your form, you'll want to save your work. In the top right corner of the Chrome PDF viewer, you'll notice a download or save icon. It looks like an arrow pointing down onto a small line, typically labeled Download. Clicking this will save your filled form to your computer. Be sure to give it a new file name if you want to keep the filled version separate from the original for easy reference later on. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've filled out your PDF form using Google Chrome without spending a cent. It's an incredibly convenient way to handle these types of documents, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Thanks to Chrome's integrated PDF viewer and editor, managing important paperwork has never been easier or more accessible. So next time you find yourself needing to fill out a PDF, just remember, with Google Chrome, you're well equipped to handle it swiftly and effortlessly.